Today I'm going to share with you the 5 best ways that you can make money online in 2020, and I'm starting right now. Hello, my name is Josh and welcome to another video. If you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on the budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. And if you're already a member of this community, welcome back. Here's my short list on the best ways that you can make money online in 2020. Let's get started. If you have a passion, why not share it online in 2020 by starting your own YouTube channel? Janelle Elena is an American social media star who created an internet frenzy after her YouTube channel earned 1.5 million subscribers in about a month with only 2 videos. Now she is making up to $16,000 every single month, and that's according to Social Blade. After you reach YouTube's minimum requirements for subscribers and watch time, it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start making money by placing ads on your videos. There have been many regular people that have become millionaires by making and uploading videos on YouTube. All you need is a niche, that means a topic that you want to talk about, and a camera. And getting started, a simple cell phone video will do. It could take anywhere from 6 months up to 6 years to reach those targets. So make sure that you are not doing it just for the money, but that you also have a passion for the topics that you're talking about. One great way that you can make money in 2020 is drop shipping. With drop shipping, you can set up a store on a platform like eBay or Amazon and list your products there. Then you can have the item directly shipped to your customer from the supplier. This is an amazing option for those who are looking for an online job because it allows you to dabble in sales, but you don't have to pay up front for anything and all of that stuff, especially that stuff that may or may not sell. I personally love drop shipping because I never have to touch any of the physical products during the transaction. And of course, while earning a great income. With drop shipping, you serve essentially as the middleman connecting the customer to the supplier. Another great way that you can make money online in 2020 is becoming a transcriber. Do you have some quiet time set aside during the day to spend time transcribing audio files into text documents for your clients? Transcription services are still in high demand because today's technology still can't translate what the human ear can hear. There are many companies out there that actually pay pretty well for transcriptionists. You can also set up an account on Fiverr and set your own transcribing rates. But I would really encourage you first, before you do that, go through Fiverr and see what other people are charging, and that way you can be very competitive with your pricing. I mean, you don't want to charge one price, everybody else is charging less, and you wonder why you're not getting any work. You can teach English online to make more money in 2020. I taught with VIP Kid a few years ago. With VIP Kid, teachers teach English online to kids in China. While you are required to have a bachelor's degree, but you are not required to know any foreign language or have any formal teaching experience. Teachers can earn up to $22 each hour while working on the VIP Kid platform. There is no need for lesson planning because they will give you everything to teach. It's easy and it's fun being able to interact and teach English online. And I'm going to leave a link for VIP Kid in the description box below so you can get started today. Are you passionate about a topic? Consider blogging in 2020. Blogging is a great way to make extra money as your side hustle. In fact, Full-time bloggers are known to earn as much as a six-figure income with a single blog. Maintaining a successful blog is a very scientific process which requires content writing and marketing skills. I would highly recommend that you blog about something that you're passionate about, because if not, it will just seem like a waste of time, very frustrating, things like that. But if you are blogging about something that you're passionate about, although you may have one or two people to read it, it will make the difference for you. What are some side hustles that you are considering for 2020? If you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. Obliterate that like button and share this video with those who you believe that will benefit from this content. Check out more videos over there, okay? And most importantly, remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day.